Austin's Park and Pizza. It's an FEC and apparently a pizza buffet, go-kart track, mini golf, and 2 coaster credits. Got a Zamperla Minnie Mouse and an SFF Spinner, which is their newest. Not sure how much it costs, and they just opened, so hopefully the rides are open. We'll see. So after you get your tickets, you go to the left through that room, come into this other room, and here we go. SFF Spinner, Barreling Rapids. I'm enjoying these more and more these days. And this one is not the typical like figure 8, small figure 8 layout. This is a much larger version. This is the best SFF Spinner I've done, other than the hamster wheel thing. That's just across town here, actually. And there's more of those hamster wheels too. But you get really good airtime. Like you go around this, you get lifted up there. Now that first little drop doesn't really do anything, but in the back row, the second drop, you get ejector airtime. That was really good. And you go around 3 times, it's $5 a ride. So very reasonable. But you never know if you're going to be facing forward, backwards, or sideways. In fact, on all 3 rounds, I think I did one of each. Forwards, backwards, and sideways. And the backwards and sideways, getting ejector airtime going down that drop. That was pretty incredible. Now, I don't know if it's going to give you that if you're riding in the front or middle, but in the back it did. And I think the Minnie Mouse, is that it? Yeah, there's no color to it, but yeah, that's right in front of us here. Fiesta Express. That might be where they're going. They rode with me on the Barreling Rapids. As far as just the regular rides go, I think those are just flat $5 and tax included. So for $10, you can get a couple coaster credits. And I was able to get right on real quick, get both rides real fast. So if you're in the area and it's during operating hours, go ahead and stop in, get a couple coaster credits, real cheap. Now on the website I did see that it said that the outdoor attractions close an hour and a half before the indoor place. So whatever the closing time is, it's an hour and a half less for the outdoor attractions. So keep that in mind if you're in the area coming through towards the end of the day. You might not be able to get Fiesta Express. Oh yeah, Fiesta Express, we went around 2 times. So the SFF Spinner inside 3 times, this one 2 times. And yeah, the Zamperla Minnie Mouse, you get very faint laterals maybe a couple times, but yeah, it's pretty mild. But if you're hungry, they got an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet for around $13, $14, somewhere around there. So it looks like if you've got a lot of time to spend here, $38 for unlimited attractions, $48 for the attractions and buffet, $58 if you want to throw in a game of bowling, it looks like, and a $10 game card looks like it is included in that. But it looked like the $38 would include 1 round of mini golf, and then you can ride that SFF Spinner all you want. It is a good ride, but it would be a fun way to spend a whole day though, if you've got the time.